ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಈ 4 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾವು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾರ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್?
ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು ನಾನು
Instead, we should say it's a home wherein everyone has equal rights and equal amount of care. So there is no difference between anyone, like sir, along with his family, wife and children, staying in the same premises.
Thank you, sir.
Good to see you, Viresh.
See, sir, Amma is from last 2 years she is staying here in Asha Care Old Age Home. I wanted to know, please say your personal